Today I'll be showing you how easy it is to create an opportunity at PREXA365 directly from my shortcut screen. You just click the button plus add new opportunity and start typing. Let's say the title will be online request customer. If you don't have the customer at your CRM, you can add the new account directly from this screen. You just fill up this form and save and close. If you do have the account already in your CRM, you can just pick up from the drop-down list over here. Let's select the client. And the same with the contact information. If you don't have the contact at the CRM, no problem. You can add it directly from the quick create screen, save and close. If you do have the contact information already at CRM, you can just select one from the lookup. Type, let's say that's rental opportunity. The currency will pop up automatically based on what you predefine for the particular client. The price list, you can select let's say the preferred clients or other price lists. Pricing monthly, weekly, let's say monthly. Tentative start day, let's select the tentative start and end date. And also you may enter the job site location. Bear in mind there's a BIM map integration over here, so the system will pick up the address automatically as soon as you start typing. You can also add the unit number over here and other customer need details. Save. If you're ready to add the line items, you will be able to do that directly from this screen. So the asset group line items records are listed over here. You just click add new. Select the asset group that you're quoting. That's a BMW X1, let's say. The price will pop up automatically based on the monthly pricing, and save and close. Click refresh. And you will be able to see the asset group under the line items in your opportunity. If you don't need to do any changes over here, you want to leave this opportunity as it is, you can just save and close.